Yes, at first. Wow, you like my favorite.
Hi guys! Welcome back to Jax Babes TV. This is Jax. For today's video, tuturo ko sa inyo paano gumawa ng mango float ice cream. In my previous video, gumawa din ako ng homemade cookies and cream ice cream. Ilalagay ko sa description box yung link para makita ninyo ang tutorial. Disclaimer muna guys, hindi ito sponsored video. All products are bought by my own money. And this is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Without further ado guys, let's start the video tutorial. So, first ingredients na kailangan natin is mango. Tatlong malalaking mango. Next na gagawin mo is slice ito into dice. Kailangan mo din ng condensed milk and 2 all-purpose cream. For condensed milk, kailangan na natin yung half can of the condensed milk, and we need also 4 to 5 graham crackers. First na gagawin mo is open the 2 all-purpose cream and ilalagay mo sa empty bowl. Ilalagay na din natin yung condensed milk. And then, ilalagay mo yung mango. Huwag mong ubusin yung mango kasi kailangan din natin ng mangoes para sa layering ng ice cream natin mamaya. Next na gagawin natin is imimix natin siya using electric mixer. After 10 minutes, ito na yung texture or consistency ng cream natin. So, ilalagay na natin yung isang pack ng graham crackers. And imimix natin ulit siya hanggang madurog yung biscuits. After that, add ulit tayo ng isa pang pack ng biscuit. Mix again. Ito yung mixture niya after 15 minutes. So, continue mixing until 20 minutes hanggang maging ganito yung mixture natin. And this is what it looks like after 20 minutes of mixing. Pour the mixture in an empty container. Konti lang muna guys. And then layer it with crushed grahams. Next is ilalagay mo yung mangoes. Layer another mixture. And add crushed grahams again. And add mangoes. And layer mo ulit hanggang puno yung container. So ito na po siya, puno na po yung container. Next na gagawin natin is lagay ulit tayo sa top ng crushed grahams. And lagyan din natin ng mangoes sa top. So ito na po guys, tapos na po ang ating homemade ito ay natapos ko sa loob lang ng less than 30 minutes guys. So takpan na natin and magdamag natin siyang ilalagay sa freezer. And bukas titikman natin.
One frozen wasteland later.
Wait. Wait.
Chocolate siya.
Di ba? Chocolate. Mango float. Ice cream.
Ganina na.
Ganun.
Sa dahapon.
Yummy yun. Sobrang sarap nito guys. Promise. I-try nyo tong gawin. Madali lang siyang gawin guys. Kahit yung mga little ones natin, kaya itong gawin. And ang maganda pa nito, budget friendly din ito. Kaya perfect pang handaan. If you love this video, please like and share this to your friends and click subscribe and click the bell so that you will get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching guys!